Hi, I'm going to show you how to add images to your Drupal website using Glazed Builder. In this video, you will learn how to add and customize the image element. To add the element to the page, click on the plus icon. The image element is under the Content tab. Select the image you would like. Glazed Builder comes with default images in the media library. You can also upload images from your computer. Underneath, you will see the Resize drop-down menu. Here, you can select different bootstrap sizing. You can set the width of the image in either pixels or as a percentage. You can also set the image height. To have the image take the full width and height of the section, set these to 100%. Optionally, you can also add a link to your image. Here, you can select whether you would like the link to be opened in the same or a new window. Now click on Save Changes. Now you have added an image to your website with a link embedded. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and subscribe for more.